Hello and a pleasant day. I'm Oliver M. Gonzalez, 29 years old, a third-year bona fide student of Our Lady of Fatima University, Antipolo City, and taking up a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. My height is 5 feet 6 inches and weighs 142 pounds. I'm single, a Filipino citizen, and a religious Roman Catholic person. My graduated schools include the following. In primary level, I graduate in Santo Niño Elementary School in Marikina City. And in secondary level, I graduate in Roosevelt College, Sumulong, Cainta, Rizal. I'm also affiliated in two vocational schools like AMA Computer Learning Center in Marikina City and St. Augustine School of Nursing in Quezon City. I took up computer programmer and practical nursing on the said schools, but both of these are not finished. I decided to choose nursing course because for me, nursing is one of the noblest professions aside from any other profession. I've learned to be more disciplined and responsible person. It's quite challenging yet fun. I gain lots of information and knowledge regarding in medical and nursing field that may able for me to share and implement those skills in providing care and concerns to my patient. Many says that there's money in nursing, and that's also one of my goals like every nursing student has in their minds. But of course, I must finish first my course, pass the nursing licensure exam, or pass the master's degree and maybe get a fine job. I want to help my family, not just for financial, but for the knowledge that I've gained in studying nursing course. They're my inspiration in all my hard works in school. And now, let me tell you all the affiliated hospitals where I undergone my duties. First is in the League Health Center in Antipolo City, wherein my duty is for my community health nurse. Second is in Amang Rodriguez Memorial General Hospital in Marikina City, wherein my duties there is in OB ward and delivery room area. Third is in Angona General Hospital in Angona, Rizal, where I undergone my duties in pedia ward and pay ward. I'm hoping that I'm able to qualify your standards for a position as a staff nurse. I appreciate all your necessary feedback regarding on my set data. Thank you.